Mi gente, what is good with you? On this episode of Credit Repair Results from hashtag GizzyCredit Team, everything removed from Equifax Credit Bureau in the first 30 days, including auto loans. Alrighty, we got student loans removal, we got collections account removed, and on top of that, this customer has a 790 credit score in 30 days. Let's go!
Hashtag GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit. GizzyCredit. Anything you want, then you can get it. Don't get scammed, cause then you'll regret it. Hollywood you no longer gotta look pathetic. Gizzy.
What's good, my people? Your boy GizzyCredit here coming through for you. Got my headset on so you guys can hear me nicely and I can hear myself nicely. Anyways, hey, at this time right now, we are supposed to be having our every other Monday podcast, but we're not able to get to the podcast today. I'm sorry about that. That's why I am making this credit repair results video for you to see that, hey, we're still here. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hitting the notification below right over here. Thank you very much. Also, right about now on the podcast, if you go to my channel, go and we do deep dives. Okay, on our podcast, we go into deep dives on everything pertaining to credit. So if you want more credit education, see the value, and what differentiates us from other credit repair companies is actually the value added that we have with educating all of the customers with the process of how credit works, anything concerning credit and real estate, of course. And again, if you're looking for a credit repair quote, hey, hit me up on the email right down here. Oh, right here is a nice picture of me. No, right here. Boom, right here. Anyways, mi gente, let's go into the video. Anyways, mi gente, hey, don't also forget you could buy me some cafecito. Cafecito money is really good for us. We stay awake throughout all this time. Anyways, let's check out these credit repair results for this customer out on the 216 area code, Ohio. Ohio has been supporting GizzyCredit for a very long time. Thank you so much for believing in us. Anyways, as you can see right up from the top, okay, this is Equifax credit repair results, and this is when we dispute online, we actually print out or we take a screenshot of the results page and then we send it over to the customer so the customer could see, yo, these are your credit repair results. Okay, so we could see right here, of course, addresses, anything pertaining to that we fix. So every time someone starts with us, they always say, hey, what are you going to do with my credit? Will addresses, all this stuff be updated? Of course, we're going to delete anything that's not pertaining to you. So if we could see right over here, this customer actually has 14 negative accounts that we removed in the first 30 days. Now, I haven't made a everything removed video. Of course, we've done that for customers, but like I said before, it takes time to make these videos. And I actually was gonna do another credit repair results videos like how I normally do it, but then I came across these credit repair results, and of course, the 790 credit score that the customer got. So this video deserves its own video, okay? Because a lot of you contact me for years, you've been seeing these results. Now, there's only like a 5 to 6% of our customers who get everything removed in the first 30 days. Not to say that it won't happen to you, because again, credit repair is a process. And again, this is only his Equifax credit repair or credit report, but it doesn't mean that it can't happen to you, but it does happen. And again, we go by the percentage of negative accounts that are going to be removed in the first 30 days to see if this is going to be a process for each individual bureau. Again, let's review his removals. As you can see right up top, right over here, Marine Finance, Bank of America, One Main Financial, and of course, the famous U.S. Department of Education. If you could see right over here, right where it says delete it. We got the famous Capital One, deleted. We got GM Financial, which of course that is a vehicle. And of course we have American Express. also was removed. These are pretty frequent hard accounts that people contact us and say, hey, can you remove it? And we're like, yeah, I mean, we have proof. And of course, this video will be placed on our playlist of fast credit repair results videos so that you guys can see what we're doing. Anyways, we continue with the finger hut, which could be a pain in the butt at times. It was removed. Lending Club, LVN Financial, another federal student loan, and of course, Capital One Finance also was removed. Now, I want to leave this sheet here so that you guys can see. These are all 14 negative accounts that were removed. But the beauty of this is that, hey, 790 credit score. Let me just put that real big right over here and expand it for you guys to see. 790 Equifax credit score. Customer came to us. Of course, we took this from his Equifax, myequifax.com, which we're able to dispute online. But still, 790 credit score. I mean, this is just incredible. I'm very happy for this customer. He was like, whoa, everything was removed. And of course, every time someone contacts us and, wants to know what the whole process is about, people get a credit repair quote and then, they send me what they need to start the process. And then we dispute online with all three bureaus. And on top of that, these are, the results that we get. So congratulations to this customer. If you are looking for a credit repair quote, you already know what to do. Again, we still have to wait on Experian and TransUnion to see what they say. And hey, let's see if all these negative accounts are somewhat, to the expectation of the negative accounts being removed at times. We already know in the last 10 years doing this, over 10,400 customers. All three bureaus don't get done at the same time. I mean, I haven't seen that. Maybe two, but even so, that's rare. It's always one bureau that gets done first, then the other bureau gets done, then the third bureau gets done. Again, my people, it's a process, but hey, this customer, with a 790 credit score, if he's looking for new credit cards, we already know where to send him so he can start reliving his life. You understand? We already know if he's looking for a new vehicle loan, we already know where to send him in order for him to get a great rate on a vehicle loan, like many of the past videos that I've had. Matter of fact, I'm going to place that video right over here so you guys can see how people refinance and also purchase new videos after we fix their credit. Pero mi gente, ya tú sabes, your boy GizzyCredit aquí. Cafecito, si tú quieres, treat me to some coffee. Stay tuned for more of podcasts. Again, this was just a quick reminder that we're still giving people results like every time we do. Make sure you like and subscribe. And listen, if you feel like other people could benefit from these credit repair results and you want to share it with your friends, please share it. I don't have a big marketing budget, as you can see. I have a pretty small YouTube channel, although I've been doing this for 10 years. And believe me, you guys have helped me with how many people I have helped throughout the years with their credit. I really appreciate the referrals. The best way to contact me is through email or text. And you already know your boy is going to be here for you. Mi gente, bendiciones to you. Let's go.
Don't get scammed. What you need is just a change of plans.